Scott doing here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a new brokerage listing of mine, a 2021 Harris 230 Solstice with 250 horsepower and a manual water sports tower. All right, so 230 Solstice, one of my favorite luxury pontoons that we sell. This one has really all the goodies on board. 9-inch Simrad built into the dash, JL audio throughout, so JL subwoofers, JL speakers, JL tower cans. This one was ordered with the pillow top interior. Only 68 hours on this boat at the time of filming, so boat shows really like new. Needs a bath, a little dirty right now, but we'll certainly get it cleaned up for anybody. So JL audio, full lighting package, so LED lighting under your rub rail, underwater, speakers under the seats and in the cup holders, as well as up in the tower. This is a manual folding tower, so there's just 2 hand screws. You unscrew those, you can fold this down if you got a lower garage or a boat lift that you're going to keep it in. Also, full length bimini top on this one, so the boat will get shade all the way from the very front all the way back here to the back. SL floor plan, so flip-flop backrest, which could also be flipped down flat to make a full sun pad. 250 horsepower, fuel injected 4-stroke motor, power assisted hydraulic steering, so you can steer this boat with just a couple fingers on your steering wheel. Also flip over submersible swim seat, always very, very popular option. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, my cell is the best way to reach me. You can call me directly at 301-501-7123. Thanks a lot. I look forward to talking to you soon.